Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, all of you, I hope you are able to listen to me.
1955 option D is correct. 1955. Amna, you have just joined the class, so for you,
Actually, there was a
we
bit
are
problem with
moving to
the
the number
internet.
90.
There was a
Yes,
bit problem with
we
the
are
internet, so I
currently
had to move my
assigned
place,
the
and now I
number
have
on this question.
switched to some other place
So,
to
Amna,
connect to the
for you,
internet.
we are
Anyway,
in the
so
regarding
some 10 minutes have been lost. Anyway, we are going to
okay,
uh,
go there, open
do
the
our
class.
task that we need to do
We are
today.
discussing the multiple choice question.
That is this is the task of practical number one. And number one, save the document, add these are the things. So what you will do, you will take one new file of text image file your with your name on the desktop. Okay, I save this file, save as on my desktop. Why they are saying us to save us on the desktop? Because in your board exam this happens that you have to save on desktop. Fine, so you need to store that particular file that you have made for your article. You're going to save that file on the desktop. For example, I am over here, I'm saving it with the name Ali common name that I am using Ali, and for example my roll number is
Yes,
57926.
option
I
C
will
is
also
correct.
include my roll number, my
On the
name and my
examination
roll number. Let's suppose Muhammad Ali, let's suppose, just giving you example, roll number this, and I'm saving it where? I'm saving it on my desktop.
very
Okay,
good. Option
and
D
I'll
is
click. So task done.
now
What
next
is written over here in the third task?
we will be starting
Use
the
drop cap means when you
yes
make the first letter
the top
caps in the menu,
we will
you
see
have to know the
that
word you already studied. Three. See that drop cap
then
option available over here.
after all
Drop
these
cap is
steps
going to make the first letter
there are
in
specific
caps a
processes that
larger
you
size
can
letter.
also see from
Okay, what is the
this
next
page
point?
we have
Change
uploaded
the
the
orientation of the page
information.
as landscape.
So
We will
from
make
here
this page
short
by
question
going
number one,
through layout, orientation, landscape.
number three,
Now you can see this by making this page small,
number four,
zooming out. You can see that the orientation is now
number six,
horizontal orientation. Fine. Now this is clear that this is basically a
and
horizontal
next nine.
orientation that we have made over here. Now this task is
So
done. You
we
will
are going
save
to
this
start it
file and you will
from
close,
number
and you
one.
will say your examiner
Yes,
that I have done word
read the
task.
question and
But
almost
normally what happens,
70
we
the
make one
answers
folder on the
remain the
desktop
same
because we
same
have to
pattern
save two more files.
by reading of
Which
the
file?
answer.
The file of the Microsoft Excel and the file of the in-page. So what you are going to do in your exam, you will make on the desktop, you will make one folder on the desktop. Right now, very much garbage is there on my desktop, but your desktop will be clear in your exam. So you will make your folder just like Muhammad Ali, and this is, let's
Yes,
suppose, your roll number, and you will put all of your files in that folder. Keep in mind,
write the definition of
you will
economic
put
progress.
all
Then
of
we
your
will have the
files in
process
that
after
particular folder.
finishing
Why?
thereafter.
Because you have
On
to give the examiner
next
all the
page,
files,
number 55,
not
we
only
will
Word
have the
file, Excel
physical
file,
I
and
just
the
told you
in
the
page file.
physical
So you are
everything
going
is
to put
very easy.
your files
Go
just
to the
like
very
Ali's Word
second
file
page,
is there
software
now.
development. On
Ali's
the
Word
second
file is
page,
also there, and we are going to save the Excel file over here as well.
yes.
Now, what we have to do in the Excel, we have to make this
Then we
format
can
in
on
Excel.
economic
What I will
development. If
do, I
you
will
see, it
open
will be
Microsoft
there
Excel.
definition of economic development.
Okay, now see the procedure. First
This is
task is there that take a new file and make this
yes, you are
format.
not understanding such a simple thing. It is written there.
This is the format that we
Definition
have to
of
make.
economic
Okay, this
development on
ABC,
page
keep in mind,
55
is not the
is
part
the
of the task. It is
definition of
basically
economic
this
development.
column number and the cell number.
They
So we
have
have to
asked
type name, class, math, science,
if you
computer,
go
English
for
total.
reading, then I
Okay,
will let
so
you
what
know
I'm
this
going to do,
complete
see over here,
paragraph. इतना बड़ा लिखा है
name,
definition of economic development. There is a
class,
big heading on page 55,
maths,
top most
science.
first heading. Yes,
What is the
yes,
next?
please.
Computer English. Then computer is there.
What have you?
Then English is there.
From where you are
Okay.
reading it?
Then afterwards the total marks are there. When I am typing over here
Read
total
on
marks,
page 55.
these are
All you
going in the next column. Can you see this?
all you observing
If you see over
definition of
here,
economic
it is going in the
development
next column.
short question number
Fine.
1.
Anyway, we are going to make this arrangement
Write
proper
the definition of economic
afterwards. First, we
progress
will
as
type this.
given by Professor
What are the names?
Level.
Ali, Saqib, Munir,
So
Ehsan.
this is the
So
answer.
I'm going to type the same over here.
According to Professor after
You are
this,
not going to
the
change
definition
anything
of
in the
the
given
progress.
text. Keep
This
in
is the
mind.
answer.
Ali, Saqib, Munir, and then Ehsan.
Have you seen?
Okay, over here they have mentioned over here class
आपको नजर आए? Have you seen this
10th.
definition?
So we are going to mention the same thing, whatever is mentioned over here. Fine.
Yes, please.
What are the marks given? 65, 77, 89, 90. So we will give same marks.
Please read it from there, Malaika.